In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align visuals in Power BI. Clean alignment makes dashboards easier to read and instantly more professional. I'll walk you through using on-canvas guides, the grid and snap options, and the align and distribute commands so your visuals line up perfectly every time. Start by launching Power BI and opening the report you want to work on. Make sure you're on the report canvas where your visuals live. Click the chart or visual you want to align to make it active. You'll see selection handles appear around it, confirming it's selected and ready to move or resize. When you drag a visual, pay attention to the red dashed lines that appear automatically. These smart guides show when the visual's edges or center are aligned with other visuals on the page. Use these cues to line up left or right edges, or to center visuals relative to each other. When the red guide appears, release the mouse to keep that precise alignment in place. For even more control, go to the View menu and enable Show Grid Lines. This overlays a subtle grid on the canvas, giving you a consistent visual reference. Right next to it, turn on Snap Objects to Grid. With snapping enabled, your visuals will lock to the nearest grid line as you move or resize them, making it much easier to keep spacing consistent and edges straight. If a visual feels like it's jumping, that's the snap doing its job to keep things tidy. When you need to align several visuals at once, start by selecting them together. Hold Ctrl and click each visual you want included. You'll see multiple selection outlines, indicating they're grouped for the next action. Now head to the Format ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Align button. Choose the option that matches your goal. Align left, right, top, or bottom will snap all selected visuals to the furthest visual in that direction, creating a perfectly straight edge across the group. If you want them centered relative to each other, choose Align Center to line up their vertical centers or Align Middle to line up their horizontal centers. This is great for creating balanced layouts without eyeballing. Finally, to create equal spacing between visuals, use Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically from the same menu. Distribute doesn't resize the visuals. It simply spaces them evenly between the first and last selected items, which is perfect for uniform rows or columns. That's it. Use guides for quick tweaks, the grid and snapping for consistency, and align and distribute for multi-visual precision.